guys, today we're gonna be making the we're gonna put soya, we're gonna put water, and the first thing we need to do is actually put soya. That's why let's go get soya. I got this one. Okay, now we're gonna go to the backyard. No, we're gonna go to the front yard and we're gonna get some soil. And then we're gonna put this. We found a lot of worms and we found a slug. On the stick. Get on the stick. Get on the stick. You got on the stick. You're inside there. Yay. Come in with me, Slug. Hey, I said come in with me. You're going over here. And I'm telling you, if you put salt on a snail, no, on a slug or snail, they will die. That's why you put salt. We're gonna go borrow something from my turtle. This is where I fell. That's why I'm not going to. I don't feel it. We're gonna be borrowing. I know we use this to shower. And we're borrowing. Turtle, that's me. Comment down below what would be a good name for him. We're waiting for a little bit and then we're gonna check the comments. Now we're gonna open this. Oh, I forgot to put water. Okay, now we're just gonna. We're just gonna keep doing this until we fill that. Don't forget to comment down below what will be a good name for the turtle. And don't forget, she's a girl. And bye.